Hey, Joe Proto here with one of the keys to understanding accomplishing goals. The tragedy of life doesn't lie in not reaching your goals. The tragedy lies in having no goals to reach. As a goal is not always meant to be reached, it often serves simply as something to aim at. So make it a goal to create a life you look forward to waking up to in the morning. Because if you don't take the time to create the life you want, you're going to spend a lot of time dealing with the life you don't want. It's been said, we're not given a good or a bad life. We're given a life. It's up to us what we do with it. Although you may not reach all your goals, remember, what you get by achieving the goals you do reach is not as important as the person you become along the way. So set some goals and get busy, because life is what you make of it. Enjoy the day.